Everyone, konnichiwa again. In this video, we will learn ha, he, hu, he, ho, or ha, he, fu, he, ho. Our first alphabet is ha. 1, 2, and 3. Our second alphabet is he. 1, our third alphabet is hu. Just like the nose, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our fourth alphabet is he. 1. Our fifth alphabet is ho. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see few words from these alphabets. Our first word is haru, means spring. Haru is the spring. The spring season is called haru. Ha-ru. Our second word is hiru, means noon. He-ru. Our third word is ho-so, means broadcast. Our fourth word is futoi, means fat. Futoi. Futoi. Futoi means fat. So this is all for now. Thank you guys for watching.